when I got one thing fixed, another one failed. What I'm working on today is a dryer. It is a Kenmore 700, and the problem is when you push the button, nothing happens. You can hear the timer working, but it's not doing anything. So if the motor was running, it might be a belt or something like that, but this is obviously something different. Now, I've experienced this problem once before. I'm not going to tell you what you're going to need for tools. Just bring everything. You're definitely going to want to vacuum clean it, because while you're in there, you can vacuum this out. And obviously, you've got to have a Pepsi to make the job go even smoother. Find your dryer circuit and kill the power. Pull the dryer out from the wall and then get rid of the plug. I pushed the machine back in so I could get to it a little easier. So what you need to do is you need to take a screwdriver, and there's a little clip. You just push down on that, and you can pull that out of there. Just like that, on either side. And you can just lift that right up out of there and get that right out of the way. You see, that's not good right there. More than likely, the thermal cutout is what's causing the trouble. It's a tough shot to get at, but what you need to do is you need to find this little white thing here, and this is the fuse. And the way to check this is to pull off one of these leads and put your meter on it. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this with the camera. Just kind of pull one of those out of the way. Once you've done that, then take your meter and put it on continuity. You hear that? And you put it on one side and on the other. And I'm getting nothing. Okay? Test the meter. Working fine. Getting nothing. So that's telling us that that fuse is bad. Now let's go ahead and disconnect the other side. There it is. So we need to look this part up and order a new one. Make sure you find all the information about the machine before you start looking up the parts. You'll find that you'll have a much better success rate getting the right part than just kind of guessing. Now, I have the part number on this unit as well, but you usually, if you go by the model number on the machine itself, you'll do okay. Okay, you want to go to the same website as before, the appliancepartspro.com, and just type in the make and model. Getting your parts, and look at that, the dryer thermal fuse, $9.13. So there's the part that we need. Kind of match it up and order that, and when that comes in, we'll put it in, and we should be good to go. So after a few days, the new part has arrived, so we're just going to reverse the process and put it back in, and hopefully we should be good to go. Okay, just the same way we took the old one out, we're going to put the new one in. So go ahead and put the connections back on. All right, let's go ahead and put it back together and try it out. You go ahead and plug it back in. Turn the breaker back on. Well, there it is, all up and going. Remember, the number one thing you want to do on these dryers is disconnect the power before you do any work. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.